Welcome. In this video I will show you how to backup data on Xiaomi 15T. First you have to open settings and then scroll down to Xiaomi account, and if you didn't add an account then you either have to enter your email, phone number or Xiaomi account ID and then password in the following field, then agree to privacy policy and tap sign in. Alternatively, you can create an account by clicking create an account or sign in using Google or Facebook. Let's sign in using Google, as I think it will be the fastest way. Okay, and once you are signed in, select Xiaomi Cloud, switch this toggle to the right, tap continue, and once you give the Xiaomi Cloud all the permissions, your phone will be backed up. Now let's tap on Cloud Backup, tap Allow, switch this toggle to the right, and then tap Backup Now, and then wait until your phone is fully backed up. And then tap Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.